How to fix hotspot if grayed out on iPhone. So if your hotspot settings are grayed out on iPhone, it's most likely because you're using Wi-Fi. So what is a hotspot? Hotspot will only allow you to share your cellular data to other people, and if your Wi-Fi is turned on, there is no need for cellular data, and if cellular data is turned off, there is no need for personal hotspot. So first, you can just turn off Wi-Fi. Once you've turned on Wi-Fi, if you still see personal hotspot off, go to cellular data and turn on cellular data. Now only after you've turned on cellular data, now you'll be able to turn on your personal hotspot so that other people will be able to join on your personal hotspot. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. As always, it's a very simple trick. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.